Yeah.
I'd rather just
It's boring.
do it. Can we just have a video of only the unboxings for like the phase overview thing that you want to do?
All right, just unbox everything, and then
That'll be one video. How's
What's up, muscle car people? This is Billet Muscle Cars, and I'm Quinn. Today we're doing another installment on Fiesta Fridays, and today we have this beautiful product here by TV Performance Products. It is a rear brace for the back end of the Fiesta. We're going to show you and walk you through how to install this. It's very quick, very easy. Let's get started. So the tools you'll need for this job, it's very easy. It's only two. You're going to have a 7mm. That's going to remove the bolt inside the floor cover. That goes right over here, over top of, I don't know if you can see that. It goes over top of that bracket right there, the seat bracket. So we pop that off. And then the other tool that we're going to use is a T50. This is going to take the bolt out of the seat mount there. So we're going to do that right now. So now we're going to remove the trunk bolts for the seat bracket. It's just a T50. Mighty Car Mods banter. What do you think is the worst state for rust on cars?
Michigan.
Michigan?
Yeah,
I'd say New York.
I would definitely say Michigan.
Vermont. Maine.
I'm still gonna go with Michigan.
Imagine how bad it must be for people in Canada.
Well, yeah, you just don't buy used cars there.
Yeah. Okay, so we take our traction bar. You can see that the holes here are offset to the bar. Faces out so you can see the lettering. And looks like it fits in there perfectly. So just gonna take our bolts, get them started again. Actually, I might actually put some WD-40 on them. They're kind of rusty. Now, I'm gonna wait until I do the other side to fully tighten it down. That gives me some play. Oops. Probably could have used an impact, but oh well. Now we just take our plastic floor mounts, I guess you call them, and our 7mm and screw them into this bracket here. So, putting this in the car, the traction bar interferes with this section, so we're just going to cut that out. Okay, that completes our install of the TV Performance rear trunk brace. Wasn't too bad at all, other than having to cut these plastic pieces a little bit to make some room for the bar. It was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So, can't wait to see if it makes any performance differences. We'll find out, we'll take it for a drive then. And thanks for watching this install video. We'll have more on the way. Every single Friday we're releasing Fiesta videos, so stay tuned for them. And please like this video if you enjoyed this. Subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos. And like always, if you have a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.